Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And can this Apple 27-inch Thunderbolt display be repaired? That's the question. Now, I've been sitting out here for about 20 minutes. It's getting very windy, a little bit nippy. This has a VESA mount on it, no stand. I was walking up the fire department. They already reported it to Safeway, but it would have bothered me if I hadn't. This thing is absolutely filthy on the back. You can get a stand for $45. You can get the glass for about $45, and you can get a whole new LED display for another $45 or $50. But I was going down the street with the shopping cart after I fed the cats. There's the famous shopping cart. There's the famous Fuzzy somewhere between the chair. There's Fuzzy. And this was lying against a wall. So I said to myself, I could use a 27-inch display if the motherboard isn't fried. So I'm going to clean the front off. I have to get I don't have the screwdriver to get this off, the 10X thing. The VESA mounts alone sell on eBay for a fair piece, so if I get that off and get a stand, I can sell the VESA mount. I'm not going to attach this to my wall. Now I'm going to put this down for a minute and turn it around. You can see the front. And, you know, Thunderbolt display is anywhere from $150 to some ridiculous price I've seen out there, $550 for it. And this was made in 2011. They discontinued these in 2016. This would maybe work on my 2010 Mac when I fix it, my 2009, my 2008. I don't know. I'm going to have to ask. All right, just a minute. I'll be right back. And I have to make sure the thing doesn't fall on the ground on me or Fuzzy or, smash it up further. But the back is just dirty. Now, this cable may or may not be working. These things are full of leaves, dirt. You have to clean this whole thing up. I need eucalyptus oil. There's a very in Australia. Don't have any eucalyptus oil. He loves to clean stuff with eucalyptus oil. And I'm not Luke Miani. I'm just me. So, but, if I could get all the parts for this and get it repaired, bring the parts in, I'd have a 27-inch display. Maybe it would even work with my Silicon M1 Mac Mini. I don't know. But it would be not bad to hook it up to my 2010 iMac, and then I could have another monitor. And a second monitor for any one of the iMacs once I get them repaired. All right, I'll be right back. Let me turn this. Okay, this is George Senda again. Now, this thing is rather rusted. Rust can be gotten rid of. I don't know how long it's been sitting out. I don't know if it would still work. It would be interesting to find out. This is an Apple Thunderbolt display. But if nothing else, I've never seen the inside of one, and I don't know how many people have. So this is it. It's really filthy. And it probably has the internal camera. You can get parts for this thing to replace it. There's the camera. And I've never had a Thunderbolt display. I have a cinema display in the back room. I think it's a 23-inch, 24-inch. It's heavy to carry home on the bus and in my arms. So this is really filthy, and you need the special driver to take those out. And you've got to be careful with it when you take those out. So I'm going to clean this up and take a picture of it. And next time I go to Berkeley, I ask them, can this be saved? It would be a pity if this would work. I may plug it in and see what happens. Get a power cord, plug it in after I've cleaned it off, clean the front and the back, and you can get the glass. The glass has been smashed. I don't know what they did with this thing. I mean, it's really been smashed. There's one piece left. The what was it? SHTF goes off, and the end is inevitable, and it's certain doom. I got a piece of glass to use, and there's a second piece of glass there. But who knows if this works? But it'd be interesting to see if it can be salvaged. I'm going to clean off the screen. Be very careful. I don't cut the hell out of myself. and then do the back and ask them the next time I go to Berkeley, can this be saved? Or to just get recycled. Now maybe I can take the VESA mount off the back and make a few coin with it. Sell it on eBay, sell it somewhere, trade it, whatever. I don't know. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, with an interesting find on the sidewalk. I took it in the shopping cart and brought it home. I'm going to clean it up, put it in the back room, and if it's not salvageable, I will take it to I don't know, shop somewhere that will recycle this so it gets repurposed into some other kind of, the aluminum probably can be repurposed, the certain motherboard. There is a recycling place here in Martinez that it can be taken and then just donated. But it would be nice to see if this thing can be fixed for enough money. That would cost probably as much as a used Thunderbolt display if I got all the parts and got it assembled it myself and made sure everything works. All right. Have a great night. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay dry, stay safe. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. And remember, you can subscribe to my channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content you'll see not on the regular channel. And I will catch you next time. And this is, I love old stuff, old computer stuff. So this is 11 years old, but you wonder what its history was, what it was doing, who was using it. I find it very fascinating. Bye-bye for now. Hello, this is George Senda again, and I happened to pull on the glass that was broken, and it pulled right off. It didn't cut me. But the interesting thing, this is, I guess you have to keep this. This is the bottom part with the sticker. Somebody wrote some kind of code, secret code. Maybe this is from Roswell. I don't know. Some kind of marker code here. Who knows what it means? But this is what was on the front of the bottom of the monitor. It's very dirty. And I guess, and then this is the bottom. I have a gut feeling this isn't going to work, but I'm going to try. And so if you've never seen what a 27-inch Thunderbolt display looks like, semi-naked, this is it. And what's this now? This is a piece of glass. I'll pull that out. Little piece of glass. So it might be sitting. It might have been sitting in the rain. I have no idea. And pieces of this stuff, whatever this stuff is, rubber, I don't know. It's flaky like the Roswell material, breaks. And here are the screws. You have to take all these off to get the monitor off. So this I know runs down here. This is something, maybe it's for the camera, I don't know. But it's interesting that when I pulled this off, that pulled right up. That's magnetic, I think. Let me see. Yep, this, whatever this is, it's a magnetic strip, so it goes with this. Even if this doesn't work, I could take the glass off. If I don't know how I'd keep the Apple symbol. But the magnetic piece, front of cinema display, someone maybe breaks theirs. And if it's not true, it doesn't look that, just looks dirty. I don't think it's that rusted. But maybe, you know, maybe somebody needs a part. I don't know. But, got a lot of leaves and stuff on it. So I'm going to see if this can be repaired. If not, well, it's been an interesting experiment. And I'm going to open it up to see what's in here. If it doesn't work, can't be fixed, I'll take the thing off. And maybe I could sell the shell of it, because I don't know if the inside will be rusted or not. I'm going to have to get the tools next month. Star Hex, I think this thing is called. All right, this is George Senda again, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Bye-bye for now. I'll get this done because I'm getting cold. Okay, this is George Senda again. I have cleaned the back of the Thunderbolt display as best I could, and it started to slide off the table. I couldn't get this done, and the dirt, this left some kind of mark here. or it was when I tried to clean, or the mark was already left on there. I'm not sure, but it was absolutely filthy, and it's a lot better. So we'll see if when I get done with all this, I'll take pictures of it, take it down to the shop, and my iPad to the shop. Can this be replaced? Can this be repaired, or is it dead? Now I'm going to turn this around. You'll see the front. I'll put that magnetic thing back on there. I'm going to put this down again. Hold on, because I can't do this one-handed. Okay, this is me again. Now, the interesting thing about these two lights, this light puts out more light than this light, yet they're the same kind of light. I can't figure that out. Go figure. Anyway, this is the front of it. I've cleaned it off as best I can, but if I try to clean it again, it's going to be on carpet. And when I get the tool, I will open it up and see what's in there and ask the shop, can this be fixed? Maybe I can pull the LED screen out and put a new one in. Maybe the rust isn't too far. Maybe I can soak it in WD-40 and it'll eat the rust, or something that will eat rust. Baking soda will, I think, take care of rust. I know there's something to do with cast iron skillets. You get rid of rust if you soak it. So you take this side panel off and see if it's removable or not. Anyhow, that's it for now. I've done the best I could. I'm going to take this inside and maybe I'll plug it in and see if it will. I hope it doesn't fry my plug, but we'll see what happens. All right, you have a good night. I'm going to put everything away and put the shopping cart back and take this into the bedroom with the Macs that need to be repaired. And this will be an interesting project when it's cool and not roasting and I have nothing else to do. I'll open it up and see what's in there and do a video of that. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.